Hello friends, welcome to Otoscope Electronics company. Today we are going to unbox and demonstrate and use of Welchallyn 25282 CL. CL is ultimately a LED. So the LED bulb of this otoscope is having 5 years of warranty while the device is having 1 year warranty. So the unboxing is like this. You are having a very hard case, a charger and all the user manuals. So this is the main unit. We are just opening this hard case. This is a good quality hard case. The machine comes with the main unit of otoscope head. See, this is the LED bulb. LED bulb is of blue color and you can read the LED on it also. So this is the LED bulb. Machine comes with the 5 disposable ear specula, and if you buy it from Otoscope Electronics company, we will give you the 4 reusable specula as a complimentary. This is the rechargeable converter, chargeable to non-rechargeable converter ring. This is the main handle. So you just need to connect the head part on this and you just need to switch it on. You can see the LED is having brighter compared to the halogen, and the Welchallyn is having very good LED light, which is called a proper LED light. So you will not have the bright white LED. It is a true color LED. This is the patented product of the Welchallyn. Now you can on it. You just need to press the switch and rotate it. So according to which you can get the increase or decrease the intensity. Now the Welchallyn is having the largest viewing area in the otoscope, as well as we are just detaching this. You can also open this and you can use this as a examination light. You can see you can use it as an examination light. So this is the advantage of Welchallyn. Plus we are just opening the device. To apply the charger, you just need to open it from the middle side and you can see the upper part where you can connect the charger. So the Welchallyn device comes with this charger. You just need to put the device on charging for 18 hours for the first time, and then it depends upon your use. And the main benefit of the Welchallyn is, if you are traveling, you do not have the battery or the charging facility, you can just remove this charger part and remove the battery, rechargeable battery, apply this converter ring, and you can convert this device to a non-rechargeable otoscope. And you just need to put 2 batteries type C, and you can connect this to this main unit, and this is how it is now. You can put the 2 AA type C batteries and the device will ready to use. So you can disconnect the battery and the charger part, then it can be converted as a non-rechargeable LED otoscope. So basically the Welchallyn is having 2 types of otoscope in a rechargeable. One is LED and another is halogen. So LED bulb is having 5 year warranty, while the device is having 1 year warranty. Thank you for watching.